Come on down. You're the next contestant in the game of investing, and today we're spinning the wheel on something big: multi-bagger stocks. Now, you might be thinking, what's a multi-bagger? Well, in the world of stocks, it's that jackpot where your investment doesn't just double, it multiplies several times over, making you the ultimate winner. But just like in the price of right, it is not all about luck. There's strategy, a bit of know-how, and a whole lot of excitement when you spot that stock with the potential to go from a modest small cap to a market superstar. Welcome to Financial Literacy. Here, we are dedicated and passionate about bringing you nothing but honest and straightforward facts about your money. We will help you take control of your finances and get you to the next level. Beginners or experienced, this is your one-stop shop for all things financial literacy. Today, we are breaking down the secrets behind these show-stopping investments, thanks to a study by Stockopedia, which has basically done the hard work of figuring out the common traits of these superstars. Think of it as your backstage pass to see what goes on behind the curtain before a stock makes its grand debut as a multi-bagger. Just like contestants who guess the closest price without going over, we're going to find out how some of these stocks hit it big by starting small and playing it smart. So grab your investment patties and get ready to learn what makes these stocks the showcase winners they are. We are not just talking about any old stocks. We are diving into the ones that could potentially turn your portfolio into a big money showcase. No spinning wheel required. Alright, let us dive into the nitty-gritty of the Stockopedia study, the makings of a multi-bagger, and see how it can help us score big in the investing game. So, what exactly makes a stock turn into a multi-bagger? It is all about finding those companies that have the potential to grow like crazy, delivering returns that can make your investment multiply several times over. The magic behind these massive returns lies in compounding, which is like reinvesting your winnings over and over until they snowball into something huge. Now, you've got two main strategies to choose from. First, the classic approach: park your money in an index fund, kick back, and let it compound over decades. It's like taking the safe bet on a sure thing: steady, reliable, and eventually it'll pay off. But if you're looking for something with a bit more excitement, the active approach is where the thrill really is. Here, the goal is to identify those potential multi-baggers. Stocks that aren't just growing, they're skyrocketing. These are the stocks that could give you returns like 10 times or even 20 times in a much shorter time. It's like hitting the jackpot in a showcase round, where the right pick could send your portfolio through the roof. So, what makes a stock a true multi-bagger? Well, just like a winning contestant, these stocks usually come with a set of standout traits that set them apart from the crowd. Stockopedia's deep dive into past multi-baggers revealed that these golden tickets often start as small-cap companies. Those under-the-radar gems with market caps between $50 million and $350 million. These stocks typically rank high in quality, meaning they've got solid profitability, strong cash flow, and a knack for avoiding pitfalls like bankruptcy or earnings manipulation. But that's not all. These multi-baggers aren't just high quality. They're also undervalued when they begin their journey, giving their price-to-earnings ratios plenty of room to grow. Add to that a healthy dose of momentum, both in price and earnings, and you've got yourself a stock that's primed to shoot up the charts. The best part? Platforms like Stockopedia make it easier for everyday investors to spot these winners by breaking down these traits into a clear, actionable framework. It's like having your very own cheat sheet to help you pick the stocks that are ready to take off. When you think about top-performing stocks, your mind might jump straight to tech giants or energy behemoths. But here's the plot twist. Many multi-baggers come from sectors that don't exactly scream exciting. Stockopedia's study found that the biggest winners often hailed from consumer cyclicals, industrials, financials, and even healthcare. Meanwhile, the tech and energy sectors, those trendy darlings everyone's buzzing about, were notably absent from the top-performing list. This just goes to show that sometimes the real gems are hiding in plain sight, tucked away in sectors that might seem a bit boring at first glance. Now, How does Stockopedia help you sift through the noise and zero in on these winners? Enter Stock Ranks, a nifty framework that sizes up stocks based on their quality, value, and momentum. Think of it as the ultimate cheat sheet for investors. By breaking down thousands of data points, Stockopedia can give you a snapshot of a stock's potential at a glance. During their 10-year study, Stockopedia tracked the rankings of these multi-baggers, both at the beginning and the end of their journey, revealing how they transformed over time. At the start of their rise, these multi-baggers had a few things in common. They were mostly small-cap stocks, flying under the radar with market caps between $50 million and $350 million. They boasted high quality, with solid profitability and cash flow. Yet, they were still relatively undervalued, meaning their price-to-earnings ratios had plenty of room to climb. Add in strong momentum in both price and earnings, and these stocks were like rockets, just waiting to launch. The key takeaway? With the right tools and a keen eye, you can spot these rising stars before they become household names. Now, let us spin the wheel on this one, shall we? Just like a contestant on The Price is Right hoping for that big payout, small cap stocks start their journey with humble beginnings. But with a little luck, or in this case, strong fundamentals, they can evolve into the mid-cap or large-cap stars that everyone wants to bid on. As their price-to-earnings ratios climb, it is like watching that wheel spin closer and closer to the jackpot. And the best part? These stocks don't lose their quality just because they moved up a size. They keep that high-quality shine, much like a well-earned showcase win. Now, let's take a closer look at what makes these winners tick. Picture this. These multi-bagger stocks are the ultimate showcase items, thanks to their simple, scalable business models. They don't just stay put, they replicate their success like a masterful bidder who knows how to maximize their chances in the showcase showdown. Add in a strong economic moat and a leadership team that's as sharp as Bob Barker's suits. And you've got yourself a stock that's ready to fend off any competition and come out on top. The management, often still led by the original founder, makes all the right moves, strategically acquiring companies that enhance earnings, like a contestant grabbing the best prizes. Finally, let us break down the grand prize, Stockopedia's winning checklist for spotting these gems. On the quantitative side, you're looking for stocks with high ranks, strong profitability, low debt, moderate valuations, and dazzling growth prospects. Think of it as the perfect bid on a showcase. And on the qualitative side, you want those simple, scalable businesses with a competitive edge and savvy management, like selecting the exact car and trip combo that gets the crowd cheering. Stick to these guidelines, and you just might find yourself holding the winning ticket to the next multi-bagger stock. And there you have it, folks. Just like a thrilling game of Plinko, the journey of finding a multi-bagger stock is filled with strategic drops and calculated risks. By focusing on high-ranking stocks with strong fundamentals and scalable business models, you are positioning yourself for a big win. Whether you're looking at the sector performance, stock ranks, or the evolution of these stocks over time, remember, the right combination of trades can lead to extraordinary returns. If you enjoyed today's episode of The Stock is Right, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and ring the notification bell to stay updated on all our latest tips and insights. And hey, why not share the love by dropping a comment or sharing this video with your fellow market enthusiasts? Let us keep the momentum going and bring everyone closer to their own stock market showcase.